Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to restore your WhatsApp messages so you can get back all your chats, photos and videos even after reinstalling the app or switching phones. First, make sure you already created a backup. WhatsApp can only restore chats if a backup exists in Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone now. Delete and reinstall WhatsApp from your App Store or Play Store. Once you open WhatsApp again, enter your phone number and verify it with the code sent to you. After verification, WhatsApp will automatically detect your backup. You'll see a message saying a backup was found. Tap Restore to begin the process. Depending on your backup size, this may take a few minutes. Your messages will appear first, and then your media like photos and videos will restore in. The background, if you skip the restore option, won't be able to bring back old messages later, so make sure to confirm it at this step. Also, remember, you must use the same phone number and Google or Apple account that you used when creating the backup, otherwise WhatsApp won't be able to find it. And that's it. Your chats will be back and ready to use just like before. For more tutorials, just like this one, make sure to check back again.